Welcome back. Now, after sensing the temperature of my community, I discovered that it is time for us to have a 7 day sales challenge. This is actually a practical section where I would be taking you one by one on how, or step by step, on how you can actually boost sales. Okay, so I have categorized it into day 7. It's not necessarily that it has to be your days when you are counting it's not necessary that it has to be consecutive. So you can start now. That will be your day 1, and then when you're done with all that you need to do in day 1, so the next time you come, you pick another one. That will be day 2. Okay, so just make sure you follow it to the very end, and then you will see how your sales will increase exponentially. That I can guarantee you. So it's a tested and a proven method of actually boosting sales. So the first thing we are going to be doing in day 1 is to create an irresistible offer. So here I am going to be showing you I'm going to be showing you what you can put together that will make your offer irresistible, and how you can present it to a sales copy. Okay, so that's what we're going to be learning in this day 1. Then in day 2, we are going to be looking at social media optimization. Every has actually gone online. So online is the market space now for all businesses. So you want to make sure you position yourself in such a way that you can actually attract quality leads, high paying customers. So now you do that is by optimizing your social media. And here we are going to be focusing on your WhatsApp, using WhatsApp business, and also your Facebook page. Of course, whatever we applied for Facebook page, you can also apply same for your Instagram page. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at here. Then in day 3, we're going to be looking at how to generate quality leads. So what are the steps? What are the strategies to generate quality leads? A lot of people have you must have seen where people have 100,000 contact list in their WhatsApp TV, or even 1 million followers. And at the end of the day, when you promote your product with such people or with such platforms, you discover that they hardly convert. So it's not about numbers, it's about the quality of people that constitute that number. And that's how we're going to be looking at here, how to generate quality leads. Then day 4, we're going to be looking at building your contact list. So, okay, building your contact list. Now, after you have generated them from a midst of online wanderers, you have been able to draw out some people, okay, using your sales funnel. Now they are in. You will have to organize them either by email or by your WhatsApp contact. You have to organize them, and you keep growing them, because as I've said before, sales is just a game of numbers. So you want to build your contact list. All right. Then in day 5, we are going to look at how to nurture your leads. So when they are already inside your funnel, whether they are trapped inside your website, inside your social media platform, inside your WhatsApp business platform, then what you need to do is to keep engaging them. So you nurture them with content marketing, with social proofs, with a lot of things that will bring about an awareness of your brand, which will also propel them, as you consistently do it, to like your brand, like what you sell, and then they get to trust you. And once they trust you, then they will begin to buy from you. So you want to now to nurture your leads. That will be done in day 5. Then in day 6, we are going to be looking at priming and closing sales. So we are going to be looking at strategies we can use to actually persuade people to buy our product. And then what are the techniques for closing deals or sales? Then day 7, we are going to be looking at handling objections and lead retargeting. So in the course of trying to sell to these people closing deal, some will accept, some will not. Those who do not accept, now we want to find a way of marketing them again. So what we do is to look at, okay, what was their objections, what was their concern or reservation concerning the product we pitched with them earlier. So when we know it, then we can use our 44 recommended strategies on how to handle objections to see which one will help in our response, and which will also help in converting these people. And then when we have been able to see that, oh, this method will work, then we can now retarget them. Okay, so that is all that we are going to be doing in day 7. And by the time we are done with this, we will have had a lot of sales. In fact, we will start having sales in day 6. Okay, those we missed in day 6, then we now convert them in day 7. So that is the idea. So I'm sure that by the time you're done with this course and you put into use all that you will learn, your sales will increase exponentially. That I can guarantee you. So with that, we have come to the end of the overview. And I will be expecting that the next thing you do now is to sit tight, get your writing materials, and just opt in into the first module that you are going to be learning in this particular course. See you inside.